Rice can be used in different ways apart from boiling it to eat with stew or cooking it as jollof. Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make Ghana authentic rice ball Omotuo. This Omotuo in northern part of Ghana and Nigeria is called Tuwo Shinkafa, which means in English rice swallow or rice ball. And the beautiful result of the Omotuo is what you see me dishing right here. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. This is the jasmine rice I'll be using for the rice ball. You can use any rice of your choice. Okay, this is around 2 cups. You can use any quantity you want depending on how many people you are making it for. Before washing the rice, I will go ahead to pour some water in my clean pot, enough to cook the rice, and cover it and bring it to a boil. And I will go ahead to wash the rice until the water runs clean. It is very important to wash it very well before cooking in order to reduce the excess starch in it. Have you liked the video? It is very important to like this video so as to help the channel, and subscribe to our channel to be able to get our notification anytime we upload a new video. Keep watching as you remain blessed.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time.
Now the water is boiled. I will add the washed rice to the boiled water with a little salt in it, which is optional, and stir very well to combine, and then cover to cook until very soft. Once the water starts boiling again, I will reduce the heat because the rice needs to cook with a low heat. Please do note that it is very important to cook this rice with more water, unlike regular rice, so that it will be very easy and soft to mash when the time comes. Now the rice is cooked and very soft. I will lower the heat more and more until the water in it dry up nicely. Yes, the rice is very soft and dry now to go. I will start mashing it just the way my friends do it in Ghana, and they usually push it forward and then start mashing the rice until it becomes very smooth and creamy. This is one food I don't miss in Ghana every Sunday. Even if I don't have the strength to mash it myself in my house, I will go and look for a friend's place to go and eat it, because as long as it is Sunday, I will get it. But I must tell you the truth, beautiful family, that making of rice ball, which is Omotuo or Tuwo Shinkafa, is very easy and straight to point. It is not stressful at all. It is one food that a child can close his or her eye and make without any stress.
The more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I'm sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Once the rice is nicely mashed to my preference or desire, I will remove it from the heat and set aside. Now I will go ahead to wrap the Ghana authentic Omotuo to any shape I want with my ceiling film. You can wrap yours any shape you want. Okay, there is no particular shape made for it. The way you see me wrapping it is the way I like wrapping my swallows, so that it will be easy for one person to finish one at once without wasting it.
Come 1 in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul.
And here our Ghana authentic rice ball Omotuo is ready. You can enjoy or pair this rice ball with some palm nut soup, which is banga soup, okra soup, vegetable soup, or even stew. But for us here today, we are enjoying ours with some groundnut soup, and the combo tasted so delicious. Try this rice ball recipe and tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube here. Please like this video, share, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Today, without you I never could have moved away, but now I seek what you teach. I do believe I